vlog off, period. If y'all did not see my last video that I literally just did, it was just me explaining on why I took the Sony ZV-1 back, or taking it back, because it's not gone yet. I'm gonna show y'all where it is though. I'm investing in getting some other equipment because honestly, like I said, I really don't want to record off my phone. That's the Sony ZV-1. It's sitting there ready to go. I didn't know how they was gonna end up getting it. Yeah, I read some little reviews or whatever from previous people who have already sent back stuff to Amazon, so they just said leave it outside with a note and the people will come and get it, because I be asleep around the time that the mail people be coming, because I be up all night. But anyways, y'all, I ain't doing nothing right now. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for this vlog. Feel? But yeah, y'all, he walking now. I'm just like, oh my goodness, you getting too big. He finna be 2 years old in October this year. Like, I'm so devastated about my thing, but I know I gotta get over it because I know I'm finna give me something better, like, period. Y'all let me know some good cameras in the comments down below because I might need to know. So y'all, right now I'm about to brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. And I'm gonna record a short of me washing my hair. Of me doing my hair. So I'm gonna just wash my hair right now and brush my teeth and stuff like that. Kaden, he right here. I'm gonna be playing with a whole bunch of stuff. Usually I'll be listening to music right now, but my computer dead and I can't use my phone. Like, for my hair, I don't have any shampoo. Y'all, when I tell y'all my hair really needed to be washed, like really need to be washed. I really didn't know where to wash my hair at though. So I think I'm gonna just wash my hair in this sink. So I think I'm just gonna use this baby shampoo because I really ain't got no shampoo. Like, I need to go shopping. So I'm gonna just comb my hair out a little bit, loosen everything up. I'm gonna show some videos of me doing Kaden, moisturizing Kaden hair. time to like grow. I had cut my hair off in a mohawk, and like it was like last year sometime or something like that. Last year, I forgot what year it was, but I was in deep depression, and basically I wasn't taking care of my hair. Like, I got low porosity hair, so with low porosity hair, your hair sucks up moisture extremely quickly. I never was like putting moisturizers in my hair and stuff like that. I wasn't keeping up with it. At the same time, I was using heat in my hair, which is why I'm not using heat no more. But I would use heat and flat iron my hair. All the back of my hair literally fell out. So like, if you notice that like the back of my hair is shorter than the front of my hair, is because all my hair in the back fell out and it's just now starting to grow back. I'm doing better with keeping up with my hair and stuff like that. I really wanted to like do a big chop, but if y'all really knew my journey for real with my hair, you'll understand why I don't want to cut my hair. I just want it to grow out, and then whatever needs to be cut, then like any dead hairs that needs to be cut, then that's when I will cut it. But I'm not cutting my hair because my journey with my hair has been tough, and it was mainly only tough because I used to get bullied because I used to look like a boy. I was confident in my haircut, like I really wanted the haircut. It's just that I was getting bullied and I didn't know how to, around that time, you know, you're young, so I didn't know how to deal with my emotions that much. I'm still learning when it comes down to how people always treated me. I was real offended and stuff like that, and I let people define my life. So I wanted my hair back long. So now I'm at a point where I'm just like, I'm just letting my hair grow out, and whatever needs to be cut, then it will get cut. I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Y'all, this is my first time using my blow dryer. This blow dryer is brand new. Even though it was this color, it looked purple, but this pink, period. If y'all didn't know, my two favorite colors is red. That's my #1 favorite. And pink. You feel? So I've been noticing that a lot of people been rocking my color. Favorite color. Everybody rocking pink. I don't see nobody rocking no red. Like, where the red at? Just, I need to get me some more red clothes and stuff. I need to get a lot of stuff actually. But time will do its thing. My hair is moisturized, poofed out, period. But no, it's looking good, it's looking fresh. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna style my hair or whatever. I'm finna do this short video, so that short gonna be out before this video is out. So go check out that short right now. Give it a like, and like on this video too, and subscribe if you have not already, and check out my Instagram right here. So y'all, I literally just got done making that short, so go check it out. Hair looking bussin'. Hair looking bussin'. Only thing I gotta do now is really start getting ready to get in the bath. One thing I am actually finna do though is moisturize my face, because I didn't do that yet. I'm finna do my eyebrows. Y'all, I'm actually thinking about doing another makeup video, because I haven't played in no makeup in a minute. So what I do, I take my shiny gel, take my little thingy thing, and I just do my eyebrows. But I'm gonna moisturize my face first, because when I moisturize my face before I put it on, then I leave it like real slick. Face moisturized, y'all already can tell. Y'all already can tell what? Period. Y'all, I'm thinking about, because you know, this is supposed to be a channel about motherhood and stuff like that. So I actually want to show y'all stuff that I would do with Kaden, to like how I get his baths ready, or how I do his hair, or all that stuff. And you know, life with a child, and I'm about to have another one on the way. So it was so many people shocked that I was pregnant, and I thought y'all already knew. I thought y'all already knew, literally. But I guess y'all didn't put it on there. Y'all, I be having the most hardest time like talking and doing stuff. Like I be too focused in whatever I'm doing, so I just feel like I have to stop talking because I'm doing what I'm doing. I be focused, concentrating, you feel what I mean? That's why I like get ready chit chats and stuff like that. That's gonna be hard for me to do because I'm be getting ready and I ain't even gonna be chatting. Alright, so that's how the eyebrows looking. And I'm about to get some lip gloss on because I'm already starting to feel my lips dry up a little bit. And when I tell y'all my lips, my skin in general can get really, really dry. Like, it's no joke. My lips would look like powdered donuts. I'm honestly thinking about eating, but I don't know what to eat. I'm over here talking about I don't know what to eat. I do know what to eat. I made some pasta. Pasta be smack. And then, you know, I gotta come through with some extra when I'm done eating because it like cleaning the food out your teeth. Pretty. He just woke up. He just woke up from his nap. Yep. And we about to eat some food. One thing about me though, gotta get some cheese. In the microwave right now. So we drunk all the Kool-Aid. Like the Kool-Aid is gone, but we had some Kool-Aid. It was the I believe black cherry or something. Like that's my new favorite kind. Like that Kool-Aid was busting. Like when I tell you busting, it was busting. This light giving what it needs to give, okay? I have to change his diaper once we done eating. So, like I said though, we usually will be listening to music, but I guess that's just not the case right now. So I don't know where the fork I usually use at, so I'm using this one. Like, where in the world is the other fork I would usually use? We got the chicken. I'm thinking about recording tomorrow, but I don't know. One thing I know though is that I want some juice. Y'all tell me why. Yesterday I thought I was finna go in labor quick, like early, because I was having real bad cramps, like menstrual cramps, and I didn't even have menstrual cramps when I had my menstrual, so I didn't know what that really was like until I experienced it yesterday. When I tell y'all that stuff hurt, That stuff hurt. It was coming like every, I don't know, every 10 minutes, every 5 minutes, I don't know. But it was coming periodically. But yeah, so I was like, it was these early contractions. I looked it up on Google and everything. And there was like signs of early labor within the week of 25 weeks to 28 weeks. So I'm like, dang. I called up my mom, was like, Mom, I might be going in labor early. She was like, what? But when I sat down for a little bit, it kind of like went away. Because I was walking and it just kept coming. So he got his water out of my water. Invest in getting one of these, y'all. It's bomb. And you ain't gotta keep refilling your water. Like, just use that. If it get warming, the water get warm, just put some ice cubes in there. You good. I gotta charge up my computer because I want to listen to some music. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when we done eating. So y'all, basically, I'm about to show y'all what I do with Kaden hair because we just got out of the tub. So yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna go in with is this Newbie Juice because he also have my hair type as well. He have low porosity hair and his hair sucks up moisture extremely quickly. So you gotta make sure you do moisturize his hair as much as possible so it can continue to grow. And then I just put some of this cocoa stuff in there. Moisture grow, cocoa moisture. Now, when he was a baby, he pulled out all his hair in the back. So his hair in the back is way shorter than the hair in the front, but he has a lot of new growth. And then lastly, I'm gonna just put some of this Jamaican castor oil in his hair and around his edges. I am planning on doing his hair really soon. I just do little baby ponytails. This comb, it's like a wide tooth baby comb. And just comb through everything. And section off his hair when I comb it, because if I comb it all at once, he gonna cry. So I section it off. So yeah, y'all, that's all that I do to his hair. Them kind of the same products that I be putting in my hair because I know it works so well. And it grew my hair out as well. And it's been growing his hair out since he pulled his hair out. So now we finna go get dressed and I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a sec. So y'all, we all dressed. Looking good, that's looking good. I got on this little fit baby bumpy baby boy getting big. He really is. Like, I just tried to put on a shirt that was like, it fit, but it just don't fit no more. Like, it was like this on me. The shirt was right here. Out. I was like, oh no, this ain't gonna work. So I put on this. So I'm finna go put on some deodorant. I like to use the purple kind. Kaden usually use this kind. I like to use the purple kind. Baby oil. I said, y'all, I'm thinking of putting my nails back on because, like, why not? But, I don't know. I might. It's literally 10 o'clock in the morning. He watching his Coco Melon. I received a comment about the Sony ZV-1, and basically she was saying that the same stuff was kind of happening to her. So it was because of storage. So like, it's crazy because I realized pay for storage. So most likely it's because of my phone and stuff like that. Because I kid you not, it's nothing wrong with the phone. I mean, it's nothing wrong with the camera, but like, it just wasn't transferring my videos. So that just really would make me believe that it was from my phone. I'm probably trying to invest in getting another phone or something that would just store all of my videos for my YouTube, because it's just probably not compatible with this phone or something. I don't know, but I decided to keep it. It's over here, and besides, the people never even came to pick it up anyways. So they had like a cancel button on Amazon, so I could just cancel it. So I canceled it, and I'm gonna leave it alone for a while until I get this new phone, so I can just start transferring my stuff over to that phone instead of this one, because clearly this phone's not operating with the camera. Thanks to that comment, I'm keeping my Sony ZV-1. Like, y'all comments really be like making a big difference. Y'all comments really be meaningful though. So I really do appreciate that person. I don't know if they subscribe to my channel, but I appreciate you. Period.